Do you know, in 2025, Python powers real-time language translation, advanced medical diagnostics, and automated trading systems. Companies like Tesla, Microsoft, OpenAI, Instagram, Netflix rely on Python to drive innovation, making it one of the most in-demand programming languages today. And guess what? Python developers are in high demand. The average salary of a Python developer in India ranges from 4 LPA with top professionals earning up to 18 lakhs per annum. Whether you want to work in AI, web development or data science, Python is your key to success. Hello everyone, this is Saket, Technical Lead and Senior Python Trainer at CodeGnan, a trusted name in training and placements. Do you want to secure a high-paying job in Python development? Or maybe you dream of building your own AI projects, automating tasks, or becoming a freelancer. Whatever your goal is, Python is the key. But wait, just knowing Python isn't enough. Let's be real. Knowing a car's parts won't teach you how to drive a car. Similarly, just learning Python theory won't give you a job. That's why top companies don't just look for theoretical knowledge, they look for real-world skills with problem-solving approach and hands-on projects. At CodeGnan, we don't just teach Python. We make you work on industry-standard projects such as email automation, how do you send email to bulk users, building your own virtual assistant, and working on getting live web data from websites, making it to analyze the data. That's how we just make sure a student learn from very beginning level, including problem-solving approaches. That's how we make students to understand, write the code on their own and crack interviews. What makes our Python training stand out? Intensive training. A beginner from any background can easily understand as we teach from very beginning level to advanced concepts where we make a student build an own project using OOPS methodologies. 100 plus coding questions which sharpen your problem solving skills. 3 placement drives per week. Attend interviews until you are placed. Hands-on projects, which makes you work on real-world Python applications. And that's not, you'll be also given a coding platform which checks an AI plagiarism part. And also you'll be working to solve real-world global certifications. What makes our Python training stand out? Intensive training. A beginner from any background can easily understand as we start from very basics to advanced concepts and also making a student build an own project using OOPS methodologies. 100 plus coding questions which helps you to sharpen your problem solving skills. 3 placement drives per week and also you can attend interviews until you are placed based on the eligibility criteria. Hands-on projects which makes you work on real-world Python applications. And also we make a user to work on our own coding platform which checks with AI plagiarism part and also make students to solve global HackerRank certifications. It's an online and offline class mode where you can sit at your home and also do the practice. It's a lifetime access where you'll be given daily recorded sessions if you're attending live, classroom training along with the materials you'll be provided. Our students don't just learn Python, they get hired by top companies. As 326 students have been placed in 2024 alone, 4.8 out of 5 rating from 2.7k learners worldwide. Our graduates have secured jobs with salaries ranging from 4 LPA to 18 LPA. Want to join the best Python course in Hyderabad? Just reach out on the number given below or visit our nearest centers in Hyderabad. Seats are filling up fast. Secure your spot today and start your journey toward becoming a Python expert. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the class.